In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light assembly on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Underneath, we'll take this shield off using an 8mm socket. Take these bolts out. Take these two bolts out using an 8mm socket. Do the same on the other side. I'll take this panel down. Disconnect the connector. Just push on the two tabs on the side, squeeze it, and slide it down. Take these 3 screws out. There's 2 on this side and 1 on this side, using a T20 socket. Grab the fog light when you take that last one out and slide it out. On the new fog light, you want to take these bulbs out. These are normally test bulbs. This is a H11 bulb. Just slide it in, lock it down, line that up, get the screws started. Snug those down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Take this panel and line it up. Lined up and get the screws started. And tighten these all down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.